2021 is expected to be a year of hope. Hope for better health, hope for a life free of restrictions, hope for growth in economy, and hope for a greater life. On the economic front, stock markets are also achieving new heights, with the expectation of the economy improving in the coming year. The Indian Union Budget 2021 is right around the corner. The Union Budget will be presented by the country's Finance Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, on 1st February 2021. We bring you a list of Super 6 expectations from the Union Budget 2021 through a common man's perspective. Here is the list. The basic income tax exemption limit needs to be increased from its current Rs 2.5 lakh to Rs 5 lakh. This expectation is to immediately reduce the tax burden of taxpayers. The COVID pandemic has made many Indian citizens suffer financially. Therefore, it will be helpful for the middle-class taxpayer if the government increases the upper limit of Section 80C, which states that an individual can claim tax deductions of up to Rs 1.5 lakh on things like home loan, provident funds, insurances and more. With the COVID pandemic hitting hard and health insurance coverage found to be inadequate for families, the deduction for Mediclaim coverage to be increased from Rs 25,000 to Rs 50,000 and for senior citizens from Rs 50,000 to Rs 75,000. The COVID pandemic has brought about a paradigm shift in work culture. Work from home has become a necessity. Budget 2021 should introduce measures which would provide certain tax benefits for employees. For example, an additional standard deduction of Rs 50,000 from gross income could be provided to allow for expenditure by employees who are working from home. The long-term capital gains from sale of equity and mutual funds is tax-exempt up to Rs 1 lakh. The gain above Rs 1 lakh is being taxed at 10%. The government should look at increasing the exemption limit from its current Rs 1 lakh to Rs 2 lakh, specifically for retail investors. Due to the travel restrictions, employees have not been able to avail LTC in the current block period of 2018 to 2021. Hence, the government introduced the LTC cash voucher scheme as an alternative. However, the government needs to extend the scheme and make changes to benefit the employees. The Honorable Finance Minister of India has already expressed her intention to push big reforms in the 2021 Union Budget. Citizens and industry leaders have high expectations that budget announcements will lift the Indian economy from the current pandemic slowdown and accelerate growth of the nation.